What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a steering wheel cover for your vehicle. Now, this is going to be a nice cover that you can use to give you more grip. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once we get this out of the box, this is how it comes. It has this nice Velcro strap around it. Keep it nice and tight so it can be in the box. Once we take that off, it just unfolds. So once you get this undone, it's going to be still in this shape or this form from it being in the box, but after it, settles for a little bit, it'll start taking that nice round form. But one thing I really like about this steering wheel cover is that it's nice and thin. It's not real thick. So when you do add this to your steering wheel, you don't get that bulkiness. It's made out of Nappa leather, so it really looks high quality. It feels high quality. You have this nice non-slip protection on the inside, so that way when you put it on, you're not going to get your steering wheel moving around when you're trying to turn it. That makes it also nice and safe as well. You have this nice stitching on the leather, and it's also nice and perforated along the steering wheel, so it breathes. This way you can keep it nice and cool, or maybe if you have a heated steering wheel, you'll still be able to feel that heat coming through during the cold days. So I'm going to be putting this steering wheel cover on my Tesla steering wheel. This is going to fit steering wheel sizes from 13.75 to 14.25. So basically, if your steering wheel is within the range of that size, it's going to fit it nice and tight. Especially for that 14.25, it's really going to give it that nice tight fit. But overall, this looks really good. It has a nice sporty feel, and it doesn't take away from the steering wheel that much at all. And one other thing, you still have that nice classic black, so it's going to match a lot of interiors really well. So guys, once again, this is going to be the steering wheel cover for your vehicle. I highly recommend having something like this, especially if you live in really hot states. This is going to help preserve the leather on your steering wheel cover, and also this is going to be a lot cooler to touch and a lot more comfortable than your factory steering wheel. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.